when it comes to but main player are already when it comes to hard starting in a car, especially uh, 3Z around. We start from this one. This can cause it. Camshaft sensor can cause it very serious. Number two thing is push start, which is here. This is push start.